Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarah's Abstract Expressions. My name is Sarah. Today we're doing a swipe with some colors I just had some kicking around and the rest of my Floetrol until I get more. So I'm going to get you set up and we will get started. So like I said, we're doing another swipe today because I felt like it. I'm doing some colors that I just have. I made this one. He'll be listed in the description. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to wing it. I know my Floetrol is clumpy because I was running out. Not much I can do about that at the moment. I love this blue though, it's pretty. I'll go with this one next. Oh, that popsicle stick was weird, that's fine. Last but not least, this one. Oops. So instead of doing black today, I'm actually going to do a white swipe. Because why not? So, ooh. Go that way and up. I'm hoping this will come out really pretty. Okay. It sounds so wild. Just let me get a majority of the paint off my hands because there's a lot here. Wow, there's a lot of paint. Need another paper towel. There's so much paint. So I'm just kind of winging it today because, well, I felt like it. I don't really have much to talk about. I went and saw my dad today. We had dinner. It was nice. Jeff came with me. Yeah. Father's Day stuff, you know? I know it's not even Father's Day anymore because by the time I release this, it'll be like a week later. I just, so much paint. Okay. So, piece of paper towel. I saw the Chunko, so should be interesting. I have to pull that out. So it's all I can see is the Chunko. Come here, Chunko. Ew! It's like snot. That looks neat though. I'm gonna torch it and tilt it because, wow, it's pretty. Okay, so I'm going to tilt it off this edge now just to spread this stuff out a little bit more. I'm going to pick it up though. Make my tilting a little bit easier. Go this way a little bit. Just how it wants to flow. Right down. Trying to cover the bare canvas spot that's in the corner that I can see. Please go. It's very weird on the hand. Okay. Just trying to straighten out the cells a little bit. And then I'll torch that corner, like this corner again. Now that it's all spread out. Like it needs a little bit in here and in here. So let's see what we can create. And perfect timing, I got a hair in my eye. I'm gonna let this do its thing for a little bit and I'll be back with a wet flyby. So this is what it looks like now that it's set up for a little bit. Still very wet. Very, very wet. I'm just so like, look at all the cells. They're so pretty. I'm happy I used white for a change. Like, because I'm using some darker colors, I figured black wouldn't be the best option for this one. It looks very ocean-esque. I'm very excited to see how this one dries. And look at how many cells decided to grow at this end. It's so, so pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'll be back with a wet one. Or dry one. Derp. So this is what this one looks like now that it's dry. I love it. The cells are just so perfect. All the colors are awesome. The blue came out very metallic. I'm happy I swiped it with white because the colors actually dried down quite dark. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. Check out my other swipe in the end screen here. Share with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.